Hello everyone, myself Priya Hipparagi. I am from Vijaypura district, Talikote, and I completed my engineering in Tontadara College of Engineering, Gadag, with a specialization of Tribali, and I am 2021 passed out. And after completion of my degree, I joined to Qspiders on September 1st. And initially, I started with SQL by Sunil Kumar sir and aptitude by Lavanya Kumar sir. And after 1 month, I started with manual by Pradeep sir and core Java by Shankar Narayan sir. So all the trainers will teach us well and they will motivate us like anything. They will struggle hard for us. Now I got placed in a good company with a good package. So I thank all the Q Spiders and all HRs, counselors and all technical and non-technical staff.